So hey everyone, got a little challenge for you. I was asked by someone online to come up with a, well, they said a 3-minute video highlights of my channel, and then we're going to do some cross promotion going on. I started thinking about it. I was like, well, you know, there's so much great content on my channel, it's kind of hard to pick it all out. What's better than other stuff? And so I kept thinking about it, and I decided I'm going to let you guys have some input on this one. Name 3 of your favorite highlights for the past year, and I'm going to put them together in a clip show. Now, the person asked for 3 minutes long. I'm going to do one better, and I'm going to try to keep it around 30 seconds to maybe a minute long. Kind of like a little commercial. So, put your comments below. I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Dang, get off the phone, lady. I want to see what you guys come up with, guys and gals come up with. Put the comments below. We're going to run this contest up until the end of, we'll run up until the end of May. Yeah, we'll go concurrent with the contest right now of seeing if the channel can get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm up to 918, so made some gains. But yeah, put your comments below. Name your 3 favorite highlights over the past year, which videos they're in. Give me the second mark if you'd like, and I will put together a clip show and maybe even have something great to share with you. So I'll talk to you later. You guys be safe. Bye.